Hey humans and honeys, Brenda here with Audio 46. I've noticed some really sweet and helpful comments, and I just want to let you guys know that I really appreciate all of the feedback. I'm super stoked to talk to you guys about the Mobius headphones by Audeze. They came out last year after a really successful campaign on Indiegogo. With the Mobius, Audeze really explored the idea of creating an audio world in which you had the option of immersing into three-dimensionally, whether you're listening to music, playing games, or watching a movie. I'm gonna show you guys what's in the box when you first get it. Keep in mind the stand does not come with it, but it is sold separately. So this first case comes with the Audeze pouch for safekeeping and travel purposes. This box has the warranty and the manual. Also shows you some of the specific features on the left ear cup for the controls. You've got the headphones themselves, prop right there. Last but not least, you've got the omnidirectional gooseneck microphone. You've got USB-C to USB-A charging cable. You've got another USB-C to USB-C cable. And you have the 3.5mm analog cable. The Mobius is available in 3 colors: matte black with copper detail, the one I have in my hands, which are matte black with blue detail, and their newest one, matte black and carbon, which is a nice silver gray color. Their scratch-resistant coating all around protects the plastic build of the earphones, and a really flexible headband makes these feel super durable. Mic is detachable and omnidirectional, and some would call this a gooseneck. Although I wouldn't say the mic is amazing, some of my colleagues would beg to differ. It is easy to use and a great additional feature nonetheless. There is vocal confirmation when you're using the controls on the ear cup, and I'll get into details with the controls later. These headphones have an adjustable headband. Also includes slight memory foam padding on the headband. The ear cups are 90 degrees swiveling with contoured memory foam padding. And I just want to show you guys, because the memory foam ear cups are replaceable, you can take a peek at the gear on the inside and you can just pop them back on. To replace them. On the outside of the left ear cup, you've got the power button and you've got the on-off switch for the mic. When you hold the power button, it will turn on the headphones. Power on. You also press the power button to play or pause a song. You want to double click for Bluetooth pairing. When you press the button on the front of the left ear cup, it'll calibrate the sound based on the direction you're looking at when you're wearing these headphones. When you hold this button, it'll access 3D manual, 3D auto, and it'll also allow you to turn off 3D mode. On the back side of the headphones, you have the headphone volume, and you also have the mic volume dial right below. When you're hooked up via USB-C cable, the mic dial allows you other functions like accessing 7.1 channel high res and stereo when you hold the mic dial for 3 seconds. When you press and scroll the mic volume up or down, it alternates between the EQ profiles ranging from flat, default, footsteps, ballistics, music, racing, RPG, and warm. These are definitely the first pair of headphones to use planar magnetic drivers with gaming in mind to provide a really wholesome sound quality in all audio aspects. The Mobius is capable of running USB-C and Bluetooth modes simultaneously, making it possible to play a game and pick up an incoming call. When it comes to function, the Mobius is designed with Waves NX to provide realistic immersive audio and cinematic sound. Features like the integrated head tracking follow your head movements 1,000 times a second in order to maintain the virtual location of the sound source. This gives off the impression of natural sound localization, as if the sound existed in that physical space. Waves NX Reverb contributes to creating that virtual reality experience within a pair of headphones. Audeze created a specialized control portal application for the Mobius called Audeze HQ that's compatible with Mac and Windows. To ensure most accuracy, you can enter head measurements for a full head-related transfer function experience, or HRTF. Virtual head mirrors your movements to confirm you've calibrated the headphones correctly, and it also gives you access to alter the EQ profiles and room emulation. You guys have come to one of my favorite portions of the video, which is where I show you how to use the Bluetooth connection, how it interacts with your devices, where I also low-key get to show you snippets of my playlist. Keep in mind that in Bluetooth mode, you can still access and alternate the EQ profiles from flat, default, footsteps, ballistics, music, racing, and RPG. My favorite and the last of these EQ profiles is warm. I love listening to music in warm, and I use these headphones mostly for music because it really lifts your mood. But I also want to let you know that the 3D button is also accessible while you're using Bluetooth. I personally don't listen to my music using 3D mode, but you can, and I suggest you try it out just to see how cool. It really does open the space, but I prefer listening to my music the way artists kind of laid out the tracks. So there's that, it's personal preference. I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys on my phone. I'll remind you again, to connect via Bluetooth, you wanna press the power button twice. Gonna go ahead and show you guys on my phone. If I'm yelling at you, it's because I can't hear you. So in order to play a song, you wanna go ahead and press the power button once. Let it play a little bit. To pause the song, same button, press it once. This is also the same way you would pick up or drop a call. I'm gonna go ahead and play the song again. Adjust the volume. The dial is on the back right above the mic volume dial. You just wanna scroll up, scroll down to lower volume. Super easy, actually. I love it. If you want to skip a song, go to the next song, you want to press and scroll up. And to play back a song, same dial, the headphone volume dial, you want to press it and scroll down. There it is. When it came to listening to music, I started testing them out in the flat sound profile because I felt it was important to hear the music the way the artist mixed it. It's also a good way to get a feel of what the drivers naturally sound like. I noticed the headphones sounded more V-shaped with a slight emphasis on the treble. In the lows, the bass is deep and the sub is great. There's a richness that you can expect to hear from planar magnetic drivers. Overall, lows seem pretty solid and balanced, and a good song that I love to showcase this is Erase Me by Kid Cudi. In shooting games, bullets and explosions are heard with enhanced impact and boost. The mid-range has clarity while still maintaining fullness, enhancing the delivery of dialogue while you're watching films or playing games. In 3D mode, while listening in 5.1 or 7.1 surround, the center channel remains distinct despite sharing space with left and right speakers. The highs are bright and detailed, but still sound natural and easy, remaining comfortable for long listening sessions. Overall, sound is crisp and complete, truly delivering that full experience. The Mobius gives you 10 hours of playtime with 3D audio enabled, and it takes about 3 hours to charge via USB-C to USB-A. These headphones were so much fun for me to try out. I genuinely appreciated the immersive features that allowed more depth and connection, whether you're placing yourself on a map in a game, trying to place yourself in a movie scene, or even simulating a band playing in the same room as you. Even for its simplest uses, be it a gaming headphone with Bluetooth connectivity and a mic, or a headphone for everyday purposes, sound quality really strikes with clarity and detail. I'm pretty impressed with the way Audeze combined the features of gaming while still delivering the expected sound quality of their planar magnetic driver. They retail at $399, and for gaming headphones, it's a little bit on the higher end, but if you take into consideration the duality of the sound quality and the functions for gaming and just versatility, I personally wouldn't say that they're too much to ask for. If you guys felt enlightened, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more, please feel free to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, always leave it down in the comment section below. And I'll see you next time.